Hello and welcome to another episode of Zenphi's Learning How to Automate in Under 3 Minutes. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add an e-signature to a Google Doc template without having to use any third parties like Adobe, DocuSign, Anitra, etc. So let's go ahead and get started. The first step to any Zenphi flow is to add your trigger, which is going to be what's going to start your flow. For this example, we're using a Zenphi form, meaning it's going to start the flow whenever a form response is submitted. So here we have added different questions. One of the benefits of Zenphi form is that you're able to add a signature field down at the bottom. So I've gone ahead and add that as one of the questions. The second step is going to be to create our Google Doc template. So here we're going to add placeholders wherever we wish to replace information, for example, their name, their email. So just put 2 curly brackets around any text that you wish to receive. And then for the signature, what we have to do is place an image, and we're going to add an image placeholder. So once you add the image of the size that you want to add the signature, you're going to do right click, alt text, and then here where it says alt text, you're going to open up the advanced options and you're going to add an image placeholder here. Going back to Zenphi, I have added this action called format date time to be able to format the submitted time in a certain fashion. So all you have to do is select the date. Using the token picker, go to initiators, submit time, and you can choose a different format if you wish to use a different one than the one that is originally provided. After that, we're going to go ahead and generate our template. So what we're going to do is use the generate document using template action, set up your connection to your Google Drive to allow Zenphi permission to access your drive. You're going to select the file that you want to use as your template by clicking on the Google Drive icon. Then you have to select where you want to save the file and a new file name. Here I have added their full name _ signup, which comes from our form. So if we click on the token picker, go to form data, these are all the questions I added. Then we're going to make sure we generate the PDF and we're going to load the placeholders. We're going to be able to see the regular placeholders as well as the image placeholder if we added them correctly. So simply use the token picker and select which value belongs where. For the signature, what we're going to do is go to our question with the signature. We're going to open it up and add the payload. The last step in our flow is going to be to send them the confirmation email. So to do so, we're going to send them an email using the send email Gmail action. So set up your connection to Gmail. Here you can add who's going to receive the email, display name, subject, and body, and make sure in attachments to add the generated PDF file. And now we're going to go ahead and save and start a new instance of our flow. And now we're going to go ahead and test our flow. So I've gone ahead and filled out the form. We're going to submit it. If we open up the email, we can see that it has added their name, and if we open up the PDF, we have all of the information here as well as their signature. And that would be everything. As you can see, it can be very simple to be able to add e-signatures to your flows without having to use third parties. If you're interested in learning how to automate other things in under 3 minutes, the playlist will be linked down below, as well as a link to be able to sign up for a free demo meeting with our team. Thank you so much for watching.